And today I'm going to walk you through how to search your encrypted emails on Proton Mail. Now, how to search maybe for something in your encrypted emails in Proton Mail. You see, to search your mail inbox isn't like searching other email services. Here's how it works and why it is different. The challenge is the encryption. Yes, it has true encryption. Because of Proton Mail zero access encryption, your emails are encrypted before they reach Proton server. This means the server only stores unreadable data. It can't scan the content of your emails to build a search index like other providers do. This is the price of ultimate privacy. The solution is to do an on-device search. How do you do this? The magic happens on your device. When you search, Proton server sends a batch of your encrypted emails to your computer or phone. Your device then decrypts them and performs the search locally. This means your search terms and results never leave your device in an unencrypted form. Your privacy remains intact. Now, here's the key limitation. This powerful on-device processing requires more resources. Therefore, searching the body of encrypted email is a feature available for paid Proton plans. Free accounts can search basic headers like the sender and the subject. If you want to unlock full private search, you need a paid subscription. Let me show you what I'm talking about. For example, let me open this message. You can see it's written here. You can see husband. I'm going to use the word husband. This is the body of the encrypted email, husband. Now I'm going to come back here and tap on the search and type in husband. I'm using a free plan, so it's definitely, you can see it says no result found. I can only search the date, the name, email address, or subject line. For example, I can search the name of the person who sent me the message, but I cannot search. You can see the subject was flirting time. Let's see if I can search for flirting time actually. Yes, I can. So you see, I can search for the name, I can search for the subject, I can even search for the time, but I cannot search the body of that is the content of the email. So let's try using the web version to see if it is still possible. Now this is the web version. Here we are. Now let's go for all the emails first of all. Okay, so we want to see if we can search. Now you can see all the emails, you can see kitty cat. Now let's see if we can search what's in it. Let's see what's in here. Just a hand moving. Let's use something. Okay. Now this is the body. Let's see if using the web version we change it. Let's look for the word censored content. Okay, let's search for this. Search censored content. So we can search in inbox, draft, choose where you want to search. Then let's see. No results found because we're trying to search the content, the inner part of it. But if I want to search for the person that sent me the email, for example, let's see. The person that sent me the email, I think it was Proton that sent me that email. So let's search for Proton. It should be able to find it. To show me all results of Proton, you can see them. And it shows me even in their subject matter. And also, I think it should be able to show me the body of Proton because it is, from Proton. But if it was someone else's email, it wouldn't allow me to see what's in the body. You can see it highlighted all the Proton for me because actually from Proton. But so that's basically it. If you want more options, let me show you what I mean. You can see more search options like the start date, all those things. You can also put that in and then tap on search and to search for you too. But if you are using the free plan, like I said, there's other things you can search. You cannot actually search the content of the letter of the email. So you have to have a paid plan to be able to do it. This is a price. So to unlock the full version, like I said, that is a private search, you need a paid subscription. Hope you found this video helpful.